Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself. It is Emma's first day at her new school. She feels a little nervous. Emma walks into the classroom. She sees many children. A girl with red hair smiles at Emma. Hello. My name is Lily. What is your name? She asks. My name is Emma, she says. You can sit next to me, says Lily. Emma smiles and sits down. The teacher comes in. Good morning, class. We have a new student today. Her name is Emma, says the teacher. The children look at Emma. At lunch, Lily takes Emma to the school cafeteria. This is my friend Tom, says Lily. Tom has short brown hair and a big smile. Hi, Emma. Do you like football? Asks Tom. Yes, I love football, says Emma. We play football every day after school, says Tom. You can play with us, says Lily. Emma is very happy. After school, they go to the playground. They play football together. Emma scores a goal. Great goal, shout Lily and Tom. At the end of the day, Emma thinks, I have new friends. I love my new school. Learn with LingoStories.app.